Okay, everybody, and the previous lesson we ended our lessons on how to create PowerPoint, and you learn everything about basics. I think I teach you everything that you needed, every concept that you needed to use from the home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, record, review, view, help. But what we're going to do now, I'm going to ask you in the comments that put the topics that you like, and I'm going to create a presentation about them, create a great template about them for you. And today for the starter, we are going to choose one topic and create a presentation about it each time you ask us. You can also give us any topics and I will be happily make presentation on them. But before now, let's try to create something that is good for starting this course. I'm going to create something really easily and really just simple, just for starting this one. Okay, it's good. And now, okay, let me just put it here. Okay, and now I just simply put it here too. Select all, paste them here, copy them here, send them back. Now the thing I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce it in size. How? I'm going to make it to mid. That's good. I'm going to shape format and group them and then flip them and then ungroup them. Now the thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create an amazing slide using this. We just name it a starter of our new phase and put learning star here, star here. Now we have everything we needed. We just need to increase them in size. When increase them in size, select all of them, make shape outline none, and we just select them and go to format object and make them shadow, and then shadow, make them the shadow bottom right. I think no, bottom right is not good. We are going to make it bottom up. The shadow has been created and now we are going to make them bottom right. Okay, the shadow has been created. We just need to change the color of them. I will choose something black and I want to choose something like this as white, and after choosing them I'm going to change this color to black, and then I'm going to put something in the background that make it really amazing for you to see. I'm going to send it back and I'm just simply going to put it back here, putting back here, and then after putting back here, I'm going to put it here. Okay, let it slide and make it non-outline and make it black. And okay, our presentation has been created, but I'm going to make it a little more great. I select all of them and make them to align center, align middle. Now let's run it and see what have been us created. Let's do the morph transition. You see, it's as great as it can be possible. And our transition has been created. Now we are going to create more of them in the new course, and I'm going to create them in continuing of each other to create a complete presentations for about the presentation that you can present under 15 minutes. Until the next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and have a good night. Ask me if you have any question in the comments and tell me which concept should I